Hi YouTube, Money Maniacs coming to you today. We're going to do a new video for you today. It's an unboxing video. We were talking in the last video about how we were showing you the grams and everything there that you see on the screen. But we were going to do a collecting thing and we'd make a video of it. So this is going to be the video today. Let's get right into it. We're going to open up the package for you. Go ahead. There she goes, just opening the package here. Yeah. Don't cut your finger. They tape it pretty good. We got this off of eBay. It's kind of cool. A little surprise for you here. It kind of just went with, you know, her part of the collecting, but it also went with the silver stacking. So everything you see here is silver. Even in the box, it'll be silver. You know. No. Other than the pink stuff, apparently. The packaging here. Yeah, look at all the pink stuff. This is crazy. This is crazy. Okay, that's kind of different and interesting. Should clean this table up here. That's it. You see her hand. That's the other half of Money Maniacs, guys. She usually the one holding the camera, but what you get there? What's that? Okay, put it on the table so everybody see it. Open it up and everybody see. Kind of neat. She got gifts and presents inside of her treasure chest. It's kind of a cool thing. Okay, that ain't silver, but oh, it came out of the package. All right. See what else she got. There we go. Let me try to zoom in here. Yeah, we got it. There we go. All right. All right. We're going to try to make this much quicker for you. Unwrap quicker. And she got a piece of copper. She got an ounce of copper. Well, that was a cool gift. There you go. We're not into copper, but hey.
It's a dinosaur.
It's a dinosaur, she says. We'll get that in there. Try to zoom it in for you guys there. It looks like pterodactyl. Alright, comes in a little velvet pouch. It's really pretty. So here we go. This is what we got, or she got. Turn it around. We can't see what it is. There you go. Little treasure chest, guys. Yeah, as you guys can tell with the skull and the stuff, she having a little hard time opening it here. Very careful with it. Look at her. Very careful. And then inside, there'll be another velvet pouch. Now, this is the main reason we bought this in this velvet pouch coming up. The treasure chest was just an added bonus. Again, it's just part of her collectible piece. Let her put it down close to the table. We gotta get here we go, camera. Silver skull. That's what she wanted. So the top one you see there is a 1 ounce skull. The bottom one you see is a 2 ounce skull. We just got the 2 ounce skull from our local store. That was a really neat gift. That 4-leaf clover was kind of cute. We got a 1 ounce copper round. We got this off of eBay. So let's go. Let's continue here. Let's open the treasure chest. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take the bag, and you're going to open it. Put the. Now what you're seeing here, in this bag is it is pure silver. It's poured silver, but it is silver nuggets. That's what they're called. They're silver nuggets. Excuse me. So we're going to just pour them in there like that. Looks like we need some more. And then these here, like I was telling you before, when we got these at the pawn, she got that as a gift. Along with so a lot of things we've been buying off eBay, everybody's been putting gifts in with it. It's kind of cute and kind of cool. So she's going to take that gram out. She's just going to place the gram in there. Yeah, there you go. Bring it a little closer so we can get a good view. Let's put the other grams in. You can open those. She's going to open up her grams. No need having them in there. The only reason they were in there is because they were connected to that paper, but I got them this is just for her collection thing. It was a side thing. I guess she's going to have me open it while we switch here. Alright, so. Oh, this is like really hard to get open. This is some. Oh. There it goes. I dropped one. Yep, they're dropping it again. Alright. So, there we go. And we're going to put that in there. And she's going to put her 1 ounce skull that's going to go in there. She's going to have a 2 ounce skull. So basically, she does have silver and she does have rounds and stuff like that, you know, bars and stuff. But just a neat overall little piece here. You know, just a cute little, you know, close it here, little treasure chest. Just, you know, and that, yeah, I guess they kind of knew that she liked four-leaf clovers because it just goes with it. So it's kind of a cute little necklace there. But yeah, so you know, we'll go through it real quick. I'll pull it up. This one here was a 2-ounce. Put to the side. I'll show you on the back here. You know, 2 troy ounces of fine silver. So that's a 2-ounce skull. This one here is the 1 ounce. Right there on the back. It says 1 ounce. There we go. Get focus there. And the rest of those are just grams. With the nuggets in there and the gram bars and everything, there's 6 grams. There's 20 grams in the nuggets. So there's 26 grams. So not quite another ounce in there. But she's got almost 4 ounces of silver in this little treasure chest. And we're going to get her some more nuggets, I think, and build this up. Because it's looking really cute. Plus it's silver anyway. And then, like I said, she got this copper round.
My favorite dinosaur.
Trying to get it in focus here. Copper 999, fine, 1 ounce. So just a really neat present overall. That we weren't even expecting that. We didn't know anything about, you know, these 2 items here, the clover necklace or the copper. So that was kind of neat. Plus, you know, she's got some, you know, another cute velvet pouches to go with it. So that was everything in the box, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. We just wanted to do a quick unboxing and show you guys, you know, the silver and the treasure chest, because we said it was going to be a collecting idea that we had that we wanted to do. So we just wanted to show you real quick. And, you know, like I said before, you can still have fun with silver. This was very inexpensive, this little treasure chest with the 1 ounce. I think I spent $31 for it because the guy that we got it from hand makes these treasure chests. So, and then for the 1 ounce. And then we bought the 2 ounce for like $50 or something like that because it was poured. And then the grams we just got really cheap. So, I mean, overall, not a very expensive gift. You can make this a present for somebody. Or you could just make a really cute, collection of your own. Well, this is Money Maniac signing out. Goodbye.